Hello everyone, Laura Talks is here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell button. So today we will be looking at the money problem. I will read first of all to you and we will look how to solve it together. So a drink costs £1.15, a sandwich costs £2.75. Mia buys 2 drinks and 3 sandwiches. She pays with £20 note. How much change will she get? So I read the problem. Now I need to identify what key information I've got in here. So I know the price of 1 drink, which is £1.15. I know the price of 1 sandwich. Now I know that Mia buys 2 drinks and 3 sandwiches. This is really important. And I know also that she pays with £20 note, and I need to work it out, the change. So my first step will be to work it out how much is 2 drinks. So we know 1 drink is £1.15. So how much that would be 2. So what I could do, I could multiply by 2 or add. I will do multiplication. So that's going to be 0, 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 times 1 and 2. So I need to remember to put a decimal because we're dealing with money. So I know for 2 drinks you pay £2.30. Now I need to work it out how much are my 3 sandwiches, which 1 sandwich is £2.75. So what I will do, I will multiply by 3. So again, 5 times 3 is 15. So 5, 1 carry over. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22, 2 carry over, and 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, and I need to put again the decimal because I'm dealing with money. So it's going to be £8.25. So I know how much my 2 drinks costing, and I know how much 3 sandwiches are. So now what I will do, I will add. So that's a second. So that was the first step, finding out 2 drinks and 3 sandwiches. My third step, to work out how much they would cost all together. So I will add £2.30 to £8.25. So that's 5. I put a decimal and so it's going to be £10.55. So that's my third step, and now I need to work it out, the change. Then I'm talking about the change. That means how much is left over from that amount. So what I will do, I will be taking away. So I need to choose, going to be my 4th step. I will work out the change. Now here is the tricky part. I have £20. Now I have here £10, so pounds and a pounds I put under each other like this. Now here I will put my pennies, and what I will do, I don't have any pennies, but I can add a decimal and 2 zeros because I have 0 pennies. Now this part children usually struggle to work it out, so you might need to help them out. So I can't take away from 0, 5, so what I need, I go next door and knock, can I borrow? There is nothing in there, so I'm going to the pounds or ones. There is nothing in there, so I need to borrow from 2 tens. So what's happening, I'm giving here. So again, I still can't use it there, so I still borrow from here. I got 9 left. And I'm giving 1 here. I still can't take away, I still have to knock. And now I can start subtracting. So 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. I add a decimal because we're dealing with money. And then 9 take away 0 is 9. And then I have none. 1 take away 1 is 0. So what my change would be then? £9.45. And that's my answer. Ta-da! We're done for today. Have a good day. Bye.